Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Honda Odyssey Touring. This four-door van has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Honda has less than 63,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city, and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, MP3 player, DVD player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, power sunroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, Bluetooth, and power windows.